Hey, Alicia from Sunshine Studios, giving a cello a makeover with Paint Couture paint and iFlex nautical themed wood molds. You can see all of the ones I used on the left here on the screen. It was really fun molding, especially the octopus around the cello. I loved it, loved the nautical theme. It's something I've been wanting to do for ages, and the little turtle and shells were so cute and so easy to work with. I used Gorilla Clear Grip adhesive for the glue. It's a little smelly, so make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. And those little seahorses are so cute. I love them. They're my favorite. I used a texture paste around the edge of the cello and in other random parts where I just wanted it to look maybe a little bit aged and grungy. And then after I added the texture additive, I primed it. I did 2 coats of primer to really just make sure the paint sticks to the cello because it's so glossy. And then I used a combination of Baltic Black and Peacock to give it a really dark, moody, like a dark teal base coat. I did 2 coats and then just touched up where it was needed, but really it has pretty exceptional coverage. And then I dry brushed many layers of Peacock over the top. Dry brushing is time consuming a little bit, but the result is so great because the color you're using, you just put the tiniest bit on the brush and it just makes the dark colors come through the detail, and the color that's on the dry brush just highlights the tops of whatever you're painting. And then I wanted to make it very metallic and just extra eye-catchy. So I didn't quite dry brush. It was a little more than a dry brush, but I coated it in green iris. Then I painted all the details Sea Maven. And then I brushed a bit of Sea Maven over one side of the body and French gold over the other, and then kind of blended them all together. And then finishing off with gold decor wax over all the details and the edging of the cello as well.